Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, it's my leaf blower, my Hitachi leaf blower. I've had this baby now for I guess this would be my 5th season of having this. And for me, it's been a winner of a blower, I'll tell you what. I mean, there's a lot of people on YouTube going to show you leaf blowers and they're blowing leaves and they're blowing all kinds of stuff. Guys, to me, this leaf blower does its job. I'm strictly a still guy myself. I like everything I have is still and Makita, you know, for 2-stroke engines. And this one here has been terrific. Now, I did have one problem with it the first month I owned it, and it was right in here, and the nut in there on the fan had come loose. So I noticed it right away. It was like kind of rattling a bit. So I took the guard off, took the nut off, put some Loctite on, put it back on, and it's been fine ever since. So it came with some oil too, and this here does 5 gallons of mix at 50 to 1. So you can tell I've used it quite a bit, and I figure it's about 5 gallons I've used through this. Now what I'm doing here today is I've noticed lately it's been a little harder to start, and I have the original plug on that still. I'm going to pull the plug out, and I'm predicting that it's pretty carboned up in there. So let's take a look and let's see how carboned up this thing is. Well, let's get to it and let's get at it. And I'm figuring that it's carboned up. I mean, 5 gallons of gas. Actually, here's the plug right here. And I'm thinking, you know what? It's not too bad. And it's got a CJ6 Champion plug in it. Guys, this thing came with a 7-year warranty. Imagine that, a 7-year warranty. I don't know if the warranty's any good, tell you the truth. I never used it. But it does come with a 7-year warranty. And I can't see much right in there right now. Let's get the inspection scope out and let's take a look inside. Okay, I got the inspection scope out. We're going to take a look inside. I'll get you repositioned so you could actually see the viewing screen here. And let's take a look inside. Okay, so let's take a look here and see if... I'll try and zoom you in as best as I can there. And I'm just moving it around inside the cylinder. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but if you're seeing what I'm seeing, I'm trying to move it around here inside the cylinder. And yeah, guys, I'm seeing a lot of carbon build up there. So let's get to it and let's start decarboning it, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And let me know if you guys do this too. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take a look at the flashlight here and just bring the piston up about maybe 1/4 of an inch from top dead center. And this is what I do. All I use is carbon choke cleaner. And guys, I'm filling that in. And I'll take you off the tripod here and show you. Now, I don't know if you can actually see that or not in there, but can you see that working? Yeah, I think you can. And I'll just leave that there until it stops bubbling around, and then we'll take a look. Okay, so all I've done so far is I just got the wire wheel, and I wire wheeled the plug a bit there because it was a little on the grungy side. And I'm going to show you what I do with every one of my engines that I have on the spark plug boot, so you can get it off easy. Is I just have some dielectric grease, and all I do really is just put it inside here and just move it around a bit. Guys, you don't need a lot of dielectric grease, but that does make a huge difference in pulling the boot off. So all I've done is, when I first got the machine, is actually do that. And I'm pretty amazed that it's the exact same plug with 5 gallons of fuel put through it. Let's take a look down the spark plug hole here. You'll probably see better, you know, actually with the camera than you can with the borescope. So let's take a look. Try to get you in there as best I can, but you can see that it has done a lot of difference of cleaning it up, and I think just doing that helps tremendously on the starting capability of your engine. Okay, by cleaning out your cylinder, does that mean that your engine's going to run a lot better all the time? Well, no. A lot of times, if you're having a hard time starting, it's a lot more reasons than that. It's just that for me, I thought I'd take a look at the easiest problem first. And a lot of times, especially on an engine like this, where the manufacturer gives you the specs on the oil rating of 20-to-1 or 50-to-1. So I've been running it at 50-to-1, and it's carboned up a little bit. Like, you know, it's not too bad, tell you the truth. But imagine if I ran that at 20-to-1, I'm thinking it'd be a lot worse. Now I do this periodically on all my two-strokes, and the first time I notice that it's hard to start, well, that's the first thing I look at. Now I did take a look at the exhaust on this, and the screen is perfectly clean, and you know what? Let's put it all back together and let's see how it starts. Okay, I got her all put together. Let's see how she starts. Let's put the choke down. Give it a couple of pulls. And if she starts up, she's going outside. There you go, right there. I'll put that out there. I'll be right back. Okay, you can hear it running out there. I don't know whether the carbon cleaning actually did a lot, tell you the truth, or clean the plug. Either one of them, it started a lot better than before. I like to clean the carbon out every once in a while. I'm not too sure if you're even supposed to, tell you the truth. I am not a professional small engine mechanic, but this is something that I've been doing for years and years and years, and it's worked for me. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.